guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana and I do a lot of fashion videos, styling videos. So if you like that type of content, please consider subscribing and sticking around for this video. Today we have a Shein try-on haul. You guys know I love Shein because they are definitely affordable and their pieces are so cute. This is actually one of the items that I'm going to show you shortly. So if you want to shop any of these items, everything will be listed down below along with my sizing, so that should help you. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I love this dress, and let's get started so I can show it to you. Okay, so this is the first dress and I'm absolutely in love with this dress. I think it is so cute. So I did have to size up to a 2XL for this one because this dress has no stretch, so I definitely recommend sizing up at least one. It fits really, really nicely. This part here is adjustable, so you can actually cinch it in and make it a shorter dress, or you can make it a little bit longer. I love the little ruching detail here. So this part is a little bit see-through, but I think it looks really nice. And this part here does have some coverage, so as you can see, it's lined in the bust area, so very pretty. It is a spaghetti strap. I just have on a regular bra, but I would definitely take off the straps and wear this with a strapless bra. And this part here is adjustable, so you can make it tighter. I really like this dress. So I think this dress is really pretty and flattering, and again, if you like a shorter length, just make this a little bit shorter and you can have like a little mini dress. It's really cute. The detailing does continue on the back as well. As you can see here, it is lined, so the lining stops somewhere around here, so it's really pretty. This dress also does have a zipper in the back, so that's how you would get it on and off. The quality on this one feels really nice as well. It looks expensive in my opinion. I love all the detailings of it. I think it's just really pretty and effortless, and it is lightweight as well, so it's perfect for summertime because this is not going to make you hot. The material is so breathable, especially since it does have a little bit of holes in it as well. So I absolutely love this one. If you can get your hands on this dress, get it. It is gorgeous. You can wear it for so many different occasions. This is a really nice date night dress, or like a bridal shower dress or something like that. It's really pretty. So I highly recommend this one. Love it, like 10 out of 10. So let me tell you, I am obsessed with this one. I absolutely love this. It is so cute, so comfy. The material is stretchy. So it is, as you can see, a two-piece crop top and high-waisted pant set, and it is more of like a cropped style. So I really love this. This is perfect for summertime. This is a really nice date night outfit as well. I also feel like this is a really cute outfit to wear to a wedding. Just dress it up with your jewelry and your clutch and your heels, and this is going to look perfect. And of course, you can pair the top and the bottoms separately with other items, because this would look really nice with some high-waisted jeans, and these pants would look really nice with any other crop top that you have, or even like a long top tucked in, something like that. And if you want, you can wear these pants into the office and you can just pair them with like a longer shirt, because they still look kind of professional. So I really like this outfit. The back of the pants does have a zipper, so that's how you get the pants on and off, and the top you just pull over your head. It is off the shoulder. Love this little ruffled detail. So basically this top doesn't have anything under to like cover your bra. You know, sometimes crop tops have like a lining underneath that like covers your bra. This one doesn't, so it's very open and flowy, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, I love this outfit. It is so cute and definitely comfortable. We have this pajama set, so once you've come home from your long day out in that really cute black outfit with your heels on, you come home and you put on your pajamas. These are so cute. These are way nicer than I was expecting them to be as well. I feel like they look way more expensive than they actually are. So for these pajamas, I did size up as well because I like my pajamas to be roomy, and I'm glad I did, because I think if I had gotten my regular size, it definitely would not have fit me the right way. It would have been super tight. So I really like this set. It is so cute. It is satin. The pattern, the detailing is just perfect. So this is a crop top, and this part here is stretchy. This is stretchy. The material itself here is not stretchy, but that's why I suggest sizing up. I love this. It is super cute. The pattern does continue all the way around. I 110% recommend these pajamas because they look so chic. They look so bougie at the same time. It's really, really cute. So I'm impressed. I might have to get a few more of these because I feel like this just makes you feel good about yourself even though you're home lounging around. A cute outfit like this, not even an outfit, it's just pajamas, but a cute pair of pajamas just makes you feel better even if you're not doing anything, because I definitely feel better putting this on than just wearing like, you know, like some ratty old clothes. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. And as you can see, they are a jogger style and they are super comfortable and they are really, really silky soft. So that is a plus because it just feels really nice on the skin. Next up, we have this really pretty, flowy, feminine, girly maxi skirt. It is really pretty, lightweight. I love the way it moves because, again, very flowy, so it looks really pretty on. It does have that lining, so you can see it stops there, so it's a pretty good length. It's not too short. And then I just have this top paired with it, and of course, you can pair this top with anything high-waisted. It is so pretty. The sleeves have flowers on them. I think they're daisies. They're so pretty. Just love the way it looks. I think it's super cute. So this skirt is stretchy up here and it does have a little string here. That's just for show. It doesn't do anything to the waist. And as you can see, it does have like a tiered look to it. And the top does have this nice little ruching detail here, and it also has a tie here, but this tie is also for show as well. It doesn't actually like cinch the top up or make it longer or anything like that. Honestly, I really like this top. I think it's so simple and pretty, but looks a little bit unique because of the sleeves. Sometimes materials like this can be scratchy on your skin, but it doesn't bother me. I actually really like it. So I definitely love this crop top. It is super cute. I feel secure in it. I don't feel like it's gonna lift up or anything like that. And this skirt you can definitely pair with so many different tops, any color, because this is white and it'll go with so many choices and so many things in your closet. So really like this, super pretty. So this is the other top that I got, and it's super pretty as well because the sleeves are just adorable. You can pull them down and make it an off-the-shoulder top as well. Again, it has this ruching detail, and this part here you can actually adjust, so you can make it shorter or longer. So I just stopped it right about there, but it can go a little bit longer than that. Very pretty, very similar to the other top and style, just this is a nice little cream color. You don't have to worry about it getting as dirty as fast as the white top, and it does have this ruching detail that I love, and this one is double lined, so you're not going to see anything through it. Again, another really pretty top that's going to go with a lot of high-waisted bottoms, so high-waisted shorts, skirts, jeans, all that good stuff, pants. This will probably look really nice with those black pants that I showed you earlier if you wanted to like switch the top. Cute little crop tops. They go really well with a lot of items, and yeah, have nothing bad to say about that. We have this really cute midi denim dress. It is absolutely adorable, but it is a little too big for me on the top portion. So the bottom portion fits fine, and I did size up to a 2XL because I was afraid that this part would not fit me. So I guess I have to take a loss with this dress, because if I would have sized down to a 1XL, this part would have been too tight and the buttons would have been fighting for dear life. They would have been like super stretched out, and the buttons would have looked like they were going to pop out and hit someone in the eye. But then this part here is too big for the 2XL. A 1XL definitely would have fit me better on top, so I do have like a lot of extra material here. Maybe I will take it and get it tailored so it could fit me perfectly, because I really do like this dress. It's super cute. The material is definitely stretchy and sturdy. I love the way it looks. I think it's, I don't know, I just really like it. I like the look of denim, and an all denim dress I think is really cute. You can easily pair this with some sandals, or you can dress it up if you wanted to. So if you are someone that does have a smaller top and a larger bottom, this dress may not be for you, because I'm struggling with, I can't find the right proportions for this dress. But if I get it tailored and it fits me perfectly, like if I pull the back here, that's what it would look like if it fit me perfectly. Sorry, my throat is a little bit itchy from allergies. I need to go take some medication. So sorry about that, but that's why my throat sounds like that now. My window is open, so that was not a good idea. But yeah, so yeah, I would just say to use your judgment when ordering this dress because it is super duper cute. The slit is adorable. So yeah, just use your best judgment when ordering this dress. Maybe get your regular size. And this is the last outfit I have to show you guys. It's really cute. It has polka dots. It kind of reminds me of like Minnie Mouse in a way. Very cute, lightweight material. Also a two-piece set, so this skirt is really high-waisted. This top is a crop top. It's off the shoulder, as you can see. Very cute, very pretty. I love the vibrant color. Super comfortable. I don't know, where would you wear this to? Date night, maybe a picnic, maybe dinner and a movie, something like that. It's really, really cute. I love, again, two-piece sets. It's definitely comfortable, a really nice length. So as you can see, it's a midi length. Again, this top is definitely more on the cropped side, so you have to be aware of that when you're purchasing these outfits. So like as you can see there, you're definitely showing a little bit more skin here, but I think it's perfectly fine. As long as you're not like lifting your arms up way high, I think you'll be perfectly fine and nothing's going to show. But if you're like going crazy in this outfit, then you're definitely going to risk the chance of exposing your bra or whatever you're wearing under there. So yeah, this is the last outfit. Super cute, fun, adorable, and yeah, that was the last one I had to show you. So if you liked the video, if you enjoyed this Shein haul, and if you like my sense of style, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, turning on the notification bell so that way you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe, you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.